Welcome back. In our last lesson, we learned the present continuous tense and present perfect tense. Yes, ma'am, but you said there was one more present tense left. That's right. Today, we're gonna learn the present perfect continuous tense, the last type of present tense. The name sounds so long, ma'am. Is it difficult? Not at all. Once you understand the idea, it's one of the easiest tenses. Let me ask you something. Suppose you started reading a book at 4 o'clock and now it's 6 o'clock and you're still reading. That means the action started in the past but it is still continuing now. That's exactly when we use the present perfect continuous tense. So the action hasn't finished yet? Exactly. That's the key. Whenever an action began in the past and it is still going on in the present, we use the present perfect continuous tense. Listen to these examples. I have been teaching since 9 a.m. She has been exercising for an hour. Notice something? All these actions started earlier, but they are still happening, ma'am. Perfect. Now let's look at how to frame a sentence using the rule. The rule is subject plus has or have depending on the subject is singular or plural plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus since or for plus time. Let's break it down. Let's say the subject is plural. For example, I. So we could frame a sentence like I have been taking this class for 2 years. Now, let's take a singular subject. For example, she. She has been taking this class since 2010. Ma'am, when do we use since and when do we use for? Great question. We use since when we have the starting point of an action. For example, since Monday, since 2024, since 8 a.m. And we use for to show the duration of the time. For example, for 2 hours, for 5 years, for a week, etc. So, she has been studying since 5 p.m., but she has been studying for 2 hours? Perfect. Now you understand. Ma'am, how do I make a negative sentence using the same tense? I mean, what if the action isn't happening? Then we simply add not, like subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus since or for plus time. For example, Mimi has not been learning English for 6 months. And how do I ask a question using the same tense? Just move has or have to the beginning, like has or have plus subject plus been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus since or for plus time, and then a sign of interrogation. For example, has Mimi been learning English for 6 months? Now I get it, ma'am, but I still get confused between the present perfect tense and the present perfect continuous tense. Here's an easy trick. If the action is finished, then you use present perfect tense. For example, I have written the letter. But if the action started earlier and it is still continuing and it is not finished, then you use present perfect continuous tense. For example, I have been writing the letter for an hour. Oh, so one is completed and the other one is still in progress. Exactly. That's the biggest difference. Now we have completed the present tense. In our next part, we'll begin with the past tense, starting with the simple past tense. Yay! I'm excited. See you in the next class, ma'am. See you in part 4 of tenses. Until next time, keep practicing because the more you use English, the more confident you'll become. Take care.